In the world of reality television, weight loss journeys often capture the imagination of millions. But few stories are as striking, unexpected, and inspiring as that of Brittany Combs, a woman who once appeared alongside the Slayton sisters on TLC's hit series 1000 LB Sisters. While Amy and Tammy Slayton have long been the faces of the show, Brittany, a recurring figure and distant relative within the family's extended circle, has suddenly found herself thrust back into the spotlight. The reason? Her jaw-dropping weight loss transformation. Once known for struggling with her size and sharing in the family's generational health battles, Brittany is now described as tiny compared to her former self. Fans who stumbled across her most recent pictures online were left stunned. The shy, soft-spoken Kentucky woman looks unrecognizable after shedding hundreds of pounds. This is the story of how Brittany Combs went from being a background figure in the Slayton's world to a central figure of her own inspiring weight loss narrative. A tale marked by struggle, persistence, and a remarkable glow-up that few thought possible. When 1000 LB Sisters first premiered, TLC focused heavily on Amy and Tammy Slayton, two sisters whose combined weight exceeded 1,000 pounds. But along the way, the audience was introduced to other relatives and family friends, many of whom provided humor, tension, or simply a glimpse into the wider family dynamic. Brittany Combs was one of those faces. She wasn't a constant presence, but her appearances often sparked chatter. Some fans felt she represented another layer of the Slayton family's struggle with obesity, while others saw her as someone caught in the background of a larger drama. Back then, Brittany herself admitted that she was living with many of the same health battles: food addiction, lack of mobility, and years of poor habits ingrained through family culture. Though she didn't have the same central spotlight as Tammy or Amy, she became a point of curiosity. "She looks just like another Slayton," one fan posted online. Another wondered if TLC might one day shift the cameras toward Brittany's own story. Nobody knew that her transformation would come off-screen, far away from the TLC cameras. Every transformation story begins with a breaking point. For Brittany, that came after a series of health scares that doctors warned could spiral into something life-threatening. According to those close to her, Brittany reached a point where simple tasks, walking to the mailbox, grocery shopping, aiming a few steps, left her out of breath. One family friend revealed that Brittany was terrified of ending up like Tammy, who at her peak weighed over 700 pounds and was nearly immobile. She saw what Tammy was going through: the oxygen tanks, the constant danger of infections, the doctors begging her to make a change, the friend explained. Brittany didn't want that for herself. But fear wasn't the only motivator. Brittany wanted to live a different life, a life with freedom, health, and confidence. She often shared with those closest to her that she felt trapped in a body that didn't represent who she was. It wasn't just about weight, she once confided. It was about feeling invisible, feeling like life was passing me by while I was sitting on the sidelines. Quote, "That realization was enough to set her on a path she once thought was impossible." At first, Brittany tried to do it all on her own, cutting down soda, avoiding fast food, and attempting home workouts. But progress was slow, and the uphill battle felt overwhelming. Still, Brittany didn't quit. She kept watching others who had transformed their lives, including her cousin Amy, who underwent bariatric surgery and eventually gave birth to two healthy boys. That inspired Brittany to take things further. After multiple consultations, she made the life-altering decision to pursue weight loss surgery. But unlike Tammy, who battled doctors for years before being approved, Brittany committed fully to the required lifestyle changes. She attended nutrition counseling, began therapy to address food addiction, and started building a walking routine, even when it meant just a few steps a day. Those first steps, both literal and metaphorical, marked the start of her climb out of a cycle that had trapped her for years. For Brittany, the turning point came when she was finally approved for gastric sleeve surgery. The procedure reduced the size of her stomach and forced her to confront her relationship with food on a whole new level. Unlike some who struggle post-surgery, Brittany embraced the challenge with surprising determination. She carefully followed her surgeon's guidelines: small, protein-packed meals, constant hydration, and absolutely no sliding back into soda or junk food. The pounds began melting away, slowly at first, then more dramatically. Within the first 6 months, Brittany had lost nearly 100 pounds. By the end of the first year, she was down over 200. And the transformation didn't stop there. Today, Brittany Combs looks like a completely different person. Her once round face has slimmed into sharp cheekbones, her clothes fit loosely, and her energy levels have skyrocketed. For the first time in decades, she is able to wear outfits that make her feel confident. Fans who recently spotted her in shared photos online were left stunned, with one writing, "I didn't even recognize her. She looks half her size, maybe less. She's tiny compared to what she used to be." While the word tiny might sound relative, after all, Brittany is still working toward her final health goals. It represents how drastic the change truly is. Someone who was once classified as super morbidly obese now looks like a completely different version of herself. For Brittany, the shift is more than physical. "I finally feel like I can breathe, like I can live," she told one close friend. "I'm not hiding anymore." Brittany's transformation hasn't just stunned fans, it has rippled throughout the Slayton family. Amy, who continues balancing motherhood with her own health journey, has praised Brittany for staying consistent. Tammy, who recently made headlines for her own extreme weight loss following bariatric surgery, has reportedly reached out to Brittany with encouragement. "It's like everyone is getting their second chance at life," one insider explained. First Amy, then Tammy, and now Brittany. The whole family is transforming in ways people never expected. What makes Brittany's story even more compelling is that she wasn't one of the show's stars. She wasn't the center of attention, didn't get the cameras following her 24/7, and wasn't portrayed as a main character in the reality TV drama. And yet, by quietly putting in the work, Brittany has become one of the most inspiring figures to come out of the 1000lb Sisters universe. Fans are now calling for TLC to give her more airtime, or even a special spin-off episode highlighting her journey. "She deserves recognition," one fan wrote in a Facebook group. "If Tammy and Amy can get their stories told, why not Brittany? Her transformation is just as powerful." The question many fans are now asking is, what's next for Brittany Combs? While she has yet to confirm whether she'll return to 1000lb Sisters in a bigger way, those close to her say she's enjoying her new freedom. She's traveling more, reconnecting with old friends, and exploring hobbies she once avoided due to her size. More importantly, she's focusing on maintaining her new lifestyle. Weight loss surgery may have given her a tool, but it's her discipline, meal prepping, daily activity, and therapy that keeps the weight off. Brittany has also started inspiring others. Through small online communities, she's shared pieces of her journey, encouraging people who feel stuck to take their first steps. Her message is simple: if I can do it, so can you. In the end, Brittany Combs' story isn't just about numbers on a scale. It's about reclaiming a life she once feared she would lose. It's about showing that even those who aren't in the spotlight can change their story. And it's about proving that no matter how far gone things may seem, transformation is possible with courage, support, and relentless commitment. From being known as a background character to now being described as tiny after a massive weight loss, Brittany has carved out a narrative all her own, one that will likely inspire viewers and readers for years to come. Thanks for watching this video, and please subscribe our Beyond 1000lb's YouTube channel for more update news.